Hey y'all, thank you for checking out Yakkar Box. Look at there's your Titan Stadium. Look at this sweet setup. UT colors being pulled by a sweet truck. Hey, if y'all like what we're doing here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell for notifications. One thing you can count on here at Yakkar Box is good looking women and good looking rides. This lovely model here is Cassidy. And she's making Darren's 1970 Chevy truck look good. Now this is Darren's first truck. That's him going to his senior prom. He's converted it over to a diesel. Give a shout out here to Brian's Auto Rebuilders. Brian and Logan Patterson put this beast together, this 1999 Ram 3500. This thing has 775 horsepower. And these lovely models here is Cassidy and Taylor, making it all look really good. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, we got Ava, Jamie, Sarah, and Lauren having too much fun in the sun. Give a shout out to Spartan 4x4, S&K, and King Speed. Appreciate y'all checking us out. Share the video, hit the like button, hit that bell for notifications.